Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing what's common in the new update for interaction system. So the first thing here is the new abilities for the character. So if I just run over and you see we've got four, we've got the speed boost, a jump count and a dash. So I just click speed boost, you'll see I can now run faster for 5 seconds. And then it'll come back. Jump boost is what you'd expect, you can just jump higher. And then jump count is by default, the character is limited to just one jump, so I can press spacebar but I only jump once. If you collect jump count, you'll now be able to jump 3 times. And then the dash is again you jump, press left shift, and you do a little forward dash. If you collect this and then dash, you see you're doing a much bigger dash. And you can also collect all 4 at the same time. So now I've got the fast, I can jump 3 times, and I've got the dash as well. So it's important to note that all these are very easily changed, so it's just the one character pickup class. You can select any one and then just change what type of pickup it is. And then you can change if it respawns, so after the 5 seconds it will either get destroyed or it will come back for you to be able to reuse. The multiplier, for example the jump count, the default is 1, so multiplying it by, or in this case it adds, so it's set to 2. That's why we've got 3. You could make that say 5 for example, and you'd be able to jump 6 times. It's the same like the speed boost, jump boost and dash, they've all got multipliers. And time to end is how long that ability lasts. And updating this will change the widget as well, so if you change it to 7 seconds it will count down from 7. Something else I forgot to mention in the first video is this teleporter can actually be used with other actors, that's not just the character. So if I simulate this, you see that ball will drop on a teleporter and then be teleported over to a new location. I'm sure a few people can think of a use for that. And I've also updated how these interactions work. So originally it was doing a cast to the character, but now for the door, for example, it's doing a check to see if the overlapping pawn is being controlled by a character. Oh, sorry, by a real person, I should say. And if that's true, then the door, or like the button, will activate. So you no longer have to delete the cast to this character and to replace it with your own. So it's important to note that these 4 abilities are only working with the provided third person character, and this is simply because it's got a few references to like the character movements and some variables such as like the run speed and walk speed are being used within these 4 actors. So you could, if you wanted to, sort of jiggle it a little bit to work with your own custom characters. But yes, this is interaction systems mainly just like a prototyping tool, so you could maybe use the interaction character and then just build upon that blueprint itself. I know this update's long overdue, but I've just been busy with other projects like level design toolkit and more work-based tasks. I do want to continue to update interaction systems, so if you do have any suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. And I'm looking forward to seeing what everyone can create, especially with these new abilities mixed with like the other interaction stuff. But yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.